Today we assembled the device, but these attachments are not fully developed yet. But for now, we are still experimenting with the size of the attachments themselves. Here, the charge indicator is lit. This is a test piece, one of the first ones we managed to create. Our device will have this kind of attachment. The stroke is 8 mm, and attachments of different lengths are provided depending on what is required. Now we can do a small demonstration of how it presses. Let's start with a demonstration on the remote control. It is also possible to calibrate the volume level. Zero with the computer to check the button press. Plus now. Stop. Now you can even check the GDS device from the very power source urgently into the cube. Make some sound. When triggered, the green indicator is selected. And another small demonstration in the set GDS battery mode. But it doesn't go below 16. Let's make a fan. Again. Well, this is how the triggers work.